Hello, it's Farrah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 different girly hairstyles that you can do on your hair. So before we get into the video, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I've started off with my hair curls. I've just done this with a flat iron, and then I'm going to take this brush, it's like a paddle brush, and just brush through all the curls. So some of them are already dropping out, but I kind of like that kind of like loose curl effect. I've just recently put bangs in as well, so yeah, it kind of frames my face a bit more. So the things that you're going to need for these hairstyles, you're going to need a paddle brush, 2 hair ties, and also you don't really have to do this, but I feel like it adds to the look. I use a pink thin ribbon, or you can use a thick one. And I've also got a hair bow that I will be using, and it's just got a normal clasp at the back. Secure it in your hair. So my first hairstyle is very simple. I take these front 2 portions. I've already made sure my hair is like parted in the centre. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this front portion and take it up here. I like to kind of like pull it out so it gives me that effect. And then I'm going to twist it around. I'm going to spin around and so you guys can see the back. I'm going to twist it around, and then taking my hair bow, I'm going to pin that into my hair. That's the look so far. What I like to do is I like to kind of like pull out these front pieces just to kind of in my face. And yeah, that's the first look. Early, very cute. So for my next hairstyle, what I'm going to do, I'm going to run my fingers through it, and I kind of like to see where my hair parts, just so then I know where to pick it up from. So we're going to do like a low ponytail. Taking a hair tie. So this is what the hair looks like so far. And then what I like to do is I just like to puff up the ponytail, just to kind of make the ponytail look a bit more fuller. And then again, I like to take down my front area, give my face a little bit more shape. And then, so I'm going to be taking this ribbon and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with that. So I've wrapped the ribbon around twice. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to form kind of like a little bow in my hair. And then this is the end look. I just think it's like it looks very girly, but at the same time, it's still very effortless. For my next hairstyle, I'm going to be showing you like a half up, half down kind of look. Just because my hair's layered, I kind of like to pull it all at the front and to make sure I can see where my layers are and stuff. I like to pull my layers up really, so that's the bits I focus on. Again, you don't have to do this with like hair bows and stuff, but I really think that it makes the look a lot more elegant and prettier as well. So this is what I do, and then I'm going to take out my hair pieces, obviously to frame the face. I do this to make sure like obviously my hair is not too tight when I'm trying to pull pieces out, so I'm not ripping it. And then I'm going to get a hair tie. I try and make sure that this one, because it's going on the top of my head, I make sure that this hair tie is a lot thicker, just so I feel like it's a lot more secure. And I'm just going to tie up in a little ponytail. That's it. And that's what I like to do. You can also like re-curl it, because some of my curls are dropping out since with doing this video, because I've been messing around with my hair a lot. But you can also like straighten the bangs, curl the little ponytail, add to the look if you want to be even more girly. You can. I know this is going to sound crazy, but I think it looks very cute and I've got to. Isn't that just a look? So for the very last look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all my hair back and I'm going to take it to one side. We're going to do like a side braid. So this is what it's going to look like. Make sure it's kind of like messy, because I do like that look. I do like the kind of like messy hairstyle but still a hairstyle look, if that makes any sense. Make sure it's all detangled, and then I'm going to start braiding. So I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to split it into 3 different sections, making sure that all sections are even. And I'm just going to start braiding. So one piece and another. If you run out of hair, always take from the other section. Just make sure it's neat. So what I like to do is, because my hair's curled, I'm going to just kind of leave it with the ends out because I think it looks very cute like that. And I'm just going to tie that off and make sure it's secure. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of like puff out the braid just to make it look a lot more fuller. You can also curl these pieces that are left out to frame your face. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and help a girl out. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers and I'm so close. So it would be lovely if you guys are new and you want to join my channel. I make girly content. So yeah, have a lovely day.